All right, 2016 Volkswagen Jetta 1.4 turbo model. Complaint was misfire codes on cylinders 1, 3, and a P300 random misfire code. Spark plugs were changed. Misfire code went away for a little while, but it came back. Plugs were pulled again, gapped, put back in, misfire code went away for almost a month. Came back. In the meantime, I noticed that the engine was shaking like it had Parkinson's when it was idling, and under load or throttle would pitch back and forth, indicating that the mounts were worn out. So we replaced the mounts because, I don't know if many people realize this, engine mounts can cause misfire codes because your engine does not like to shake, okay? It likes to be nice and smooth. It doesn't like to move around, it doesn't like to vibrate. So oftentimes, cars will throw a misfire code just because the mounts are worn out. Has nothing to do with ignition, has nothing to do with fueling. So don't just go throwing plugs and coils at it. That's not gonna fix it. Show me the mounts that came out of this thing. Worn out. That's the transmission mount. This is the motor mount we just changed. 360 degrees of movement. Go any which way it wants to. After we had changed these, the transmission mount and the pitch mount in the back and bottom, this was the last one we had to change. It was throwing a misfire for cylinder 1. So now that we've replaced this one, no more misfire on cylinder 1. No more misfires at all. It's not always ignition and fueling, guys. Sometimes the motor's just shaking about and it doesn't like it. So if your motor's shaking, let's start the car. Let's see what it looks like. It should look like this. Sorry, we don't have a pre-video, but all right, rev it.